Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about plus size fashion. I post planner and crafty videos. I post makeup reviews and makeup hauls, and also like Primark, B&M, Home Bargains hauls, which is what you're watching. Now this video is going to be a little bit different. I've took some footage inside Home Bargains and inside B&M, and I'm going to show you what's in both stores and what I got from each one. So first I'm going to show you the clip from Home Bargains. I didn't buy too many things from there, so I don't have a lot, and then I have B&M where I bought some really nice things. So let's begin with Home Bargains in store. Okay, as I said, I didn't buy lots of things from Home Bargains. I did buy 3 things that I want to mention. The others were like, I don't know, pop and things like that. So not very important. Whereas the envelopes. So I sold a dress on Vinted. I don't know if you've heard of Vinted, but if you have clothes that you want to sell, check it out. I made my first sale on Vinted, and I need to send the dress in an envelope. I didn't have the envelope that I wanted that was big enough to fill to fit a maxi dress. So I bought these A3 mailing bags from Home Bargain. I think they were like £1, and you get 6. So these are A3. They're quite big, and they will fit my maxi dress, which I can sell. Then I found my favorite cordial, Fruit Creations, the orange and mango. I like drinking cordial because I don't drink a lot of water, so I use I drink more cordial, and I like this flavor. If you haven't tried it, check it out. If you like orange and if you like mango, you'll like the combination. It's a tasty cordial. And also, we're running out of Febreze, so we bought the Lenore fabric refreshener in Beaming Freshness. I haven't smelt it yet. This is what it looks like, quite floral, and it is a limited edition one. Hang on, let's see what it smells like. It's gold orchid. Okay, let's see. It's Ooh, it smells nice. I'll put it on my dress. It's a fabric thing. So yeah, limited edition at Home Bargains if you're looking for it. I use this on like curtains, on the sofa, things like that, just to refreshen, the space and make them smell better. Now, as I said, my Home Bargains haul was a bit pathetic. Now let's move on to footage from B&M, and then I'm going to show you what I got from B&M. And show you. Okay, I'm going to start with the home bits. Cleaning product. I got the Fabuloso foam freshener. We use this on the carpets. I got the scent wild rhubarb. My partner really loves anything that smells rhubarby, so we got this, and you just spray it on your carpets, and then you don't need to vacuum or anything. It's foam in the beginning, and then it just vanishes, and it leaves a nice scent for a few hours, not forever. If you're expecting visitors or something like that, it's nice to spray that, and then it smells nice. I'm on the B kind of homeware fashion trend, and I saw this big mug that says beautiful. It's a big mug. It's quite big. Look at it against my head. You know when you want your big cup of decaf coffee? this is it. I think this was $2.90. So that's my bee mug. Then this is a random silly purchase, but I thought it looked cute. In, you know, where you have your utensils, you can have an egg spatula. So I got it. I think you use it like you put your egg and then you pick it up. It doesn't go all over the place, you know how it does. It's got this long metal handle and then this plasticky kind of spatula thing, and it's got a little egg yolk there. And then I got a little basket storage just to tidy things. I bashed myself in the face. It says tidy. We're going to put like garbage bags and all little bags and things like that just to tidy them up in the kitchen. So this was £3 from Home Bargains. So these are all the kitchen stuff I got. Now, snacks. I'm on a diet. Haha. I saw this and I thought, oh, I'm going to try this. So it is hot chocolate pods. You make 8 hot chocolates and they have 71 calories. And I didn't read the instructions, so now it's compatible with Dolce Gusto machine. I don't have one. I don't know how I'm going to use it. I didn't read the instructions. Anyway, I got this. If you're interested and if you have an Nescafe Dolce Gusto, my sister does, so I'm going to give this to her. You can use this. Twix. I also got a Highlights milk chocolate drink, which is Cadbury, which is 38 calories. This is nice. I think I like the Galaxy Light a bit more. Of course, I got my Biscoff Lotus biscuits. These are sold at B&M and they are just so yummy. So I got those. And finally, I hadn't seen these before. And I thought, oh, when someone's around and you want to, you know, give them some coffee or something like that, Nutella Ferrero biscuits. They probably have like 10,000 calories per biscuit. Let's see how many calories per biscuit. 70 calories. You have one and then you have to go on the treadmill. Anyway, life's short. So that is the Nutella biscuits. So that's what I got. I didn't need a lot of homeware stuff, so I didn't buy a lot of homeware stuff. I have a B&M and a Home Bargains haul playlist if you want to watch. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, come along to B&M and stuff like that videos. It shows me that you like these videos. Please subscribe. You just click on the subscribe button. Connect with me. I'm at My Pink Rambles on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.